You're gonna love the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. This upscale Tucson crossover is ready to make even the most routine errands feel enjoyable. Its meticulous quality of construction, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, European sensibility, and smooth, refined ride infuse every journey with confidence and satisfaction. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.